So let's talk about the cryptography basics. So what exactly is cryptography? Cryptography is art of converting the plain text into unintelligible format called ciphertext. And why do we need this conversion? Means if you want to send a message to your friend by writing an mail on right letter, and you put it in envelope and send it to via post box, and if other than your receiver, your friend, if anyone sees that, it may lack privacy, right? And if it the information contains more sensitive data, then only the receiver should know that information. For such thing, we use the cryptography. So even though anyone sees this, it will be in an unintelligible format. This is the ciphertext. So normal other persons cannot read this until they have to convert again the unintelligible format to the plain text. So we are sending the unintelligible format, and our friend also knows that I am using some particular operation, and I will tell that operation. So he will do the reverse of that operation, and he will get the plain text from this unintelligible format. In that way, even though if anyone sees you are in unintelligible format, they think that it's like gibberish or any garbage. On the receiver side, that ciphertext is converted into plain text using the operation that I have did in the converting this plain text into unintelligible format. And this cryptography mainly aims at privacy and integrity. Privacy in the sense no one should get the information other than sender and receiver, and integrity means the message should be exactly what it should be. And in cryptography we also make a checksum, like it's like a hash of the file of the message, and that hash is checked at the receiver side, and if it matches, then only the message is confirmed that it was not damaged. If it is if it is damaged, then under receiver understands that somebody has modified this message. So cryptography mainly aims at privacy and integrity. And cryptography is not latest technique. Yes, it is not latest technique. It did not come from 10 years or 20 years ago. It's from thousands of years ago. But they uses some symbols to denote plain text message. So these ancient Greeks or Egyptians uses some symbols which they have in their language, and they use these symbols instead of plain text, and they use these symbols to convey their message to the receivers. And as you can see in the old movies, there will be like images, and they will decode that images, and they use this cryptography techniques. But today in 1900s and 2000s, everyone is going to use these mathematical models or mathematical operations to convert this plain text into ciphertext. Okay, now the imitation game. This is not any presentation side. This is the name of the movie, and I highly recommend you to watch this movie because this is an education movie, and this film was portrayed by, I mean, acted by Benedict Cumberbatch and Doctor Strange. In this movie, we will see the biography of a great mathematician and also cryptography solver called Alan Turing. We all know Alan Turing, like Turing machines, and he solved the Germans' Enigma machine in the World War II and saved a lot of lives for England. And Benedict Cumberbatch portrayed the role fantastic way, and you will never get bored when watching this education movie. So once watch this, you will come to know that how Alan Turing deciphered the Enigma cipher. So in one, okay, I will not spoil the movie, but that guess you need to learn from others, right? Some skills you need to learn from others, or even though sometimes others ideas may be useful for you, so you need to take every advantage to you to decipher or to solve a problem. So that's what in this movie Alan Turing does. He gets a clue, and with that clue he just deciphers within hours the Enigma cipher. So if you want to watch the movie, okay, stop the video right now and skip to the next video. So I'm going to tell how he found now. So actually his girlfriend's friend arrives at some restaurant, and then they discusses that she was in sad. So they are asked why she was sad. Then she told that my boyfriend has cheated on me. So this Alan Turing asked her, how did you know that he cheated on you? So she said that I guessed him from the doubt, and then she followed her. She followed him, or I don't know. So she said that I guessed. So came in. Alan Turing understood that what if the Enigma ciphered messages contains a text that is already I guessed. So what this Hitler and all those members does is they will send the message like morning 5:30 a.m., morning 6 a.m., good morning, and early morning. So in that message there will be some exact known words like morning, evening, night, right? So Alan Turing guessed these words, and he put this Enigma decipher machine already some predicted no values like morning and good morning, evening, and night. He ran the Enigma decipher machine. So within hours he got the plain text. So that's how he took the advantage of some guessing values. And he also saved so many lives for the Britain. He's a great mathematician and also cryptanalyst. I highly recommend you to watch this movie.